Good morning, everyone. As you will be away from the school, so we'll be doing the practical also through the video only. I'll be preparing the video for the modification, 7 modification you will be having, and you will be having the 3 major experiments will be there. 3 major experiments में one will be the 5 mark major experiment, then 4 mark minor experiment, and 5 marks will be for the slide preparation. So that I will be demonstrating later on. Today I will be doing the adaptation. Adaptation में we have got you have to do the 3 adaptive features. That is xerophytic adaptation is the one. So that today we'll be doing that one. Okay, so starting with the adaptation seen in the xerophytes, that is the plants which are found in a desert-like condition. So in that you have to do the total number of 6 specimen identification will be there. 2 animals are also there which are found in desert-like condition, and that will be doing theoretically because the specimen will not be possible for them, and that is one is a kangaroo rat and the other one is a camel. In case of the plant, the 6 plants you have to do. So 6 plant mein the first one, the one what we are able to see right now is a acacia, that in Hindi we call it as a babool. So this is the first plant which will be having the xerophytic adaptation. The second plant, this one is a ziziphus, or what you call a bear or berry in Hindi it is called. So this is also a xerophytic plant. The another one is a Capparis decidua, and the fourth one is a Calotropis. So when we talk about these four plants, they occur in desert, but desert mein what is the important feature, that these 4 plants they are able to endure the desert-like condition, like heat and with less water they will be able to survive. The 2 plants which resist the drought, one is the Opuntia. Okay, Opuntia, all of you know, this is a variety of cactus. We have cut into pieces, so it looks like that. And this one is a euphorbia. Okay, what you call Danda Thor in Gujarat. This plant is widely used to make the hedge of the plant. Okay, or I think this should be very clear to you. This is used to make the hedge of the plant. So why we call these 2 plants? Okay, why we call these 2 plant as a ये दोनों drought को resist करते हैं, because if you see both of them दोनों का common feature क्या है कि दोनों succulent है. Both of them they are succulent. The meaning of succulent is that they have got a plenty of water. And their leaves are modified into spine. For both of them, दोनों में leaf are modified into spine. If the leaf is modified into spine, it performs 2 functions. 2 functions which will be common to both of them. That one will be that leaf is going to reduce if the leaf is modified into spine, it is going to reduce the rate of transpiration. पहला function, and दूसरा function, it will be providing protection against the browsing by the animals. Wherever you find a pointed outgrowth अगर leaf से होती है तो we use the word spine, and if it is from the stem then we use the word thorn. But acacia के case में we can use the thorn word also. But acacia is also, the first one that I showed is also is a modification of the leaf modification itself. Okay, so here if this specimen is kept, so for example if this one is kept, so you have to write like a first point, you will write this is a xerophytic adaptation seen in the Opuntia. पहला point. Second point you can write it is a succulent because it has got a plenty of water. This is a drought enduring variety. The stem performs photosynthesis. दोनों के केस में stem is green in color and stem performs photosynthesis. If the stem performs photosynthesis, then you know it's called as a it is called phylloclad. अगर stem photosynthesis करती है तो it is called as a phylloclad, and its stem has got lot of water, it is called as a succulent. Okay, so these are the important features of the Opuntia. This variety is Opuntia and this variety is Euphorbia. And Euphorbia is widely used to make the hedge specifically in the Gujarat में this is very widely used. The crop field की जो boundary होती है वो बनाने के लिए इसको use करते हैं. Now the other varieties, these 2 will be resisting. ये 4 variety what you are able to see. Okay, these 4 varieties, if I go back, these 4 varieties what you are able to see is the first one. Okay, this one, the first one is a acacia. The second one, this one is a ziziphus. The third one is Capparis decidua, and the fourth one is a Calotropis. Calotropis, all of you know that this is a plant which is called as a Gujarati में we call it as a आंकड़ो, that has got a purple and white flower. ये discoloration formaldehyde से हो गया है, and इसके leaves are quite big leaves. Okay, normally xerophytic plant के leaves are very small and they fall off, but these leaves are very big, and you have seen कि leaf के ऊपर there is a white coating is there, so that mealy coating helps in reducing the rate of transpiration. And nature has given a way to avoid the, इसके पास कोई pointed outgrowth नहीं है, so nature has given a way to avoid the browsing, and browsing avoid करने के लिए it produces a cardiac glycosidase, and cardiac glycosidase interferes with the cardiac activity of the animals, and that is the reason animals they do not browse. The Calotropis को नहीं खाते animals. The reason is that the leaves has got a chemical, and that chemical is called as a cardiac glycosidase. Understood? So these are the features of the xerophytic features present in case of the Calotropis. Another one is a Caparis decidua. Caparis decidua has got a very small number of leaves will be there, and that also in a specific season. Then leaf is going to fall off. So इसके leaf जो है वो deciduous है. This is Caparis decidua. The leaves will fall off when the conditions are not suitable, and stem will be performing the photosynthesis, and the stipule is modified. This one is a stipule, and this stipule is modified into a spiny structure. So the stipule will reduce the rate of transpiration also, and as well as it is going to provide protection against a grazing animal also. Then this one is a bear or Ziziphus, बेरी और बोर गुजरात में बोलते हैं. Here also the stipule is modified. Stipule is modified into spine. The leaf is comparatively big, but it has got a waxy coating. Leaf के ऊपर क्या होता है? Waxy coating होती है. And on the back side of the leaf, the hairy outgrowth is here. Back side of the leaf में hairy outgrowth है, इसीलिए उसको it will not be eaten by the animals. So the waxy coating will reduce the rate of transpiration, as well as the stipule is modified into spine, so that reduces the rate of transpiration also and provide protection against the browsing by animals. The acacia के केस में, this is a Acacia arabica. Acacia is a बबूल और बावड़ गुजराती में. The leaf has become bipinnately compound leaf है. So bipinnate compound leaf will reduce the rate of transpiration. Stipule is modified into spine, or to be more, it is a more pointed structure, so like more like a thorn is there, so that also will reduce the rate of transpiration, plus it will help in avoiding the browsing by animals also. Okay, so इसमें से you will be having any one in the board examination. Okay, out of this, because camel and kangaroo rat cannot be asked in the board examination because we do not have the specimen. So this is your 1 mark. Okay, what we have done, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 specimens we have done. So out of this 6 specimen, 1 will be there in the board examination. Okay, 6 में से एक board exam में होगा. So this will be your 1 mark. Out of this 6, 1 will be constituting your 1 mark. So I'll keep them together so you can see them clearly. Okay, out of this 6, 1 will be there. Other than this, you have to do the kangaroo rat and the camel also. Kangaroo rat के features क्या हैं? The kangaroo rat never drinks the water. So fat metabolism से जो water is produced, that water only is utilized throughout the life. It will seal its burrow during the daytime. Daytime में the burrow will be sealed. The another important feature is that it is nocturnal in habit. So the animal is going to come out only at night. So it will not be having the moisture loss will not be there. So that is the adaptive features for in the kangaroo rat, so that it is able to survive in a desert-like condition. फिर camel के adaptive features we have already studied in lower classes. So I'm just to keep the video short. That feature I will discuss in the class. So camel can also be asked in the theory examination, but board practical examination it will not be asked. Okay, so I hope I'm clear, and the specimens are also clear. This will be your 1 mark for the board examination.